And here's an example of the Autodesk Data Exchange Power BI connector that streamlines the integration of Revit data into Power BI dashboards, enabling enhanced BIM data analysis and visualization. This connector allows users to create a data exchange directly from a Revit 3D view or filtered categories, saving the file to Autodesk Docs. The data exchange is then imported into Power BI using the Autodesk Data Connector, which can be installed from the Autodesk App Store. Once installed, the connector appears under the Get Data menu in Power BI. Key features include visualization integration. The Autodesk viewer can be imported as a visual in Power BI, allowing users to interact with BIM models directly within their reports. Dynamic updates. So dashboards can be refreshed to reflect changes in Revit models, ensuring real-time alignment between design updates and analytics. And users can drag and drop variables, apply filters, and create interactive graphs tailored to specific project needs. This tool is compatible with Revit 2023 and newer releases, making it ideal for people seeking seamless cloud-based collaboration and data-driven insights. All right.